Hello there, here this is 4.3 quiz for geometry, and let's get started, okay? So question number 1, they want you to find the value of x. One thing I want you to make sure is this is an angle. 5x plus 15 is an angle. When you see these tick marks, that also means that the opposite angles are also going to be equal, okay? And also, you need to remember how many degrees are in a triangle. It'd be 180, right? If we split that into 3 equal parts, then we know how many degrees each angle really is. So you can take 5x plus 15 then, and set it equal to the answer that you got up here, and solve for x that way. Number 2 is very similar in that if these base angles are equal, then the sides opposite them are also equal. So all you have to do is set your equation up with these two equal to each other and solve for x. It's also the exact same thing we need to do for number 3. Again, these base angles are equal, which means the sides opposite are also equal. So take these two and set them equal to one another and solve for x. In number 4, we got a drawing here, and they give us the coordinate notation. We're going to slide this thing. So x plus 2, which means we're going 2 units positive. So which direction would that be? And y minus 3, if you're going minus 3, would you be going up or down? You need to write the new coordinates in each box. Okay, so what are the new coordinates of E, F, and G when you move all the points? Question number 5, 6, and 7, these are all kind of the same. You need to give the new coordinates, the new x, y coordinates. Okay, on number 6, or number 5 here, I'm sorry, the only thing that changes from the original coordinate is that x is now negative. So it means they're multiplying all the x coordinates by a negative 1. So whatever the x coordinates are for each of your points, multiplying by negative 1, and there's your new x coordinate. The y coordinate is not changing at all. So it would be the same in all 3 of those. Question number 6 is the same thing other than they've changed the y from a positive to a negative, which means, again, they're just multiplying all the y's by a negative 1. So that'll give you the new y coordinate. And for the x coordinate, he stays the same. And finally, our last question. We'll zoom in here. It's a translation again. So it's x minus 4 and y plus 3. So that means from each point, if you're going minus 4, you can move right or left 4 units. And then for y plus 3, you're moving 3 units. Is it up or down? But write the new coordinates after you get your new points down in the box. And that's the end of this quiz. If you have any questions, make sure you ask. Have a great day.